am stressed. But you know what? This is stress that I chose. It's stress that's coming from doing something that I really love. It's stress coming from work na inaambag ko sa isang bagay na sa akin din babalik. And yeah, there's so much work to do, but it doesn't even feel like work anymore. I'm just playing. And life is paying me to have fun. Kasi 'di ba, lahat naman ng trabaho may stress eh. Wala namang trabahong hindi ka masistress. Pero ang tanong, anong klaseng stress ang binibigay sa'yo ng trabaho mo? If it's not stress na ikaw ang pumipili, then maybe it's time to think about our choices, right?